Hi, this is Richard from Sleep Haven. We're just doing some roof cleaning for a very good client of mine to a lovely house in Floor. So if we just have a look here, if Dan swings round, you can see all the moss on the roof at the top there, swinging around here and on the top there. However, if you just see one here, if Dan can, and we're on a scaffold, so we've got to be a little bit careful. And you can see how we've just scraped this off. It's not finished this, but you can see the difference. This is just by scraping the moss off. And what we use to do that is we're using an extension pole, thus with a special scraper for this particular type of tile. And what we're doing, we're scraping off the moss first of all, and then what we'll do, we'll vac it, clean it, so to just get rid of all the moss. As I say, because of this job, we're having to use a scaffold because of the angle and the type of building that we're dealing with. So sometimes it varies on price if we need a scaffold or a platform to work off, but sometimes we can do it off the floor. And just to give you a quick demonstration, very simple. We're just using this tool. We're removing all the moss off this side. And you see it comes off quite easy. Just get all this growth off, because what it will do, all this moss can get in between the tiles, lift your tiles, and it will start causing damage because the water's not running where it should do, maybe potential leaks, etc. So if you've got problems with moss or anything like that on your roofs, just give us a call on 01327 342 594. We're here to help and be able to give you a free quote. Take care.